Lava, see the dog, yeah.
Bumbo cloud, Gully there, yeah.
Baddest boy in the world.
Jesus, speed.
Me a talk about.
Our pastor go to Jamaica for kill.
No. Oh.
630 goat and 42 nanny. Right now.
Hey, lava. Pull about them out. Let them know. You've been what?
People on the live right now, please share the live. Please share the live right now. Gully Bop is here. 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 Gully Bop is here.
My God. About kill nanny goat. Yo.
Gully Bop is here.
My God, and you know bad like me. And you not gonna need no man like me.
Yeah.
Where you going with?
Why me there and murder the girl named Fokina?
So who named Fokina?
Hey, you know Betty goat, me let me have a pastor with a portion to goat in Jamaica, you fly from America, come here.
Who named Betty Goat?
Eh?
Who named Betty
You don't know Betty goat?
No, who named Betty Goat?
God. Lava, you don't know Betty goat?
No, but I have to stay one place because more time the Wi-Fi keeping a crack up. Because you have to make me know what going on right now. Who named Betty Goat?
Alright. You know a girl named Skirtlet. Otherwise as Amari.
Bumbo clot.
What you talking about? It's lava players.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
So what on the what on the Gully? Amari I call Betty Goat?
You know she named Betty goat, you never know.
Bumbo clot. But listen. But this is sing a song for you, a nice song for you and say Neko mash up her life and she say you and oh she miss you hug and your touch and all them something there.
Lava, she not have no money. She just 2 fuck from me and have to sell her chuck. And she broke me cut.
Why am I taking my headphone and come in? Hold on, why am I taking my headphone and come in?
Blood. How about this guy? Yo. You mean Lava? Stretch out the devil. Stretch out the laziness, man. You have to get active right now. You hear that? Yeah, man, get active. Yeah.
Hey, so, what you just say? Amari?
Eh?
Hold on there. Hold on, I have to play that song. Hold on there.
Me have to make it big to fulfill the promises. Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life.
So may I ask you a question, then, right?
Like she tell Neko, I'm a cocky mash up her life.
So may I ask you a question then. So, Gully Bop, hear me say to you. Before we get in a thing, question with Amari, how is everything with Gully Bop? How is everything with
Yeah,
Gully
the
Bop?
Bop alright, man. Come there, sit down comfortable and a cooling and decide,
Right.
say, me I go write up some tunes, we sing out some tune and send out some bag of tune after a time. But this Betty goat to get out of the pastor. Come to Jamaica. And a talk about Neko. I mean, she talk still, you know. Me I tell you the truth, yeah. Mash up her life. And I mean, a big mouth mash up her life.
So may I say no?
Yeah.
So, and
Sell the truck, sell the bed.
So, and upon release...
Sell her picnic them clothes. Just to get pay and play for coming.
So, you're not never in a relationship and all them because something there? A relationship that go on between you and her?
No, sir. And a relationship, Lava, you know some maga. Look for me good. Now I'm maga like a skinny man, you know. Look.
Right.
Eh?
Yeah.
13 people drop out of that the pussy. They not space out of the film. You want me last?
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Bumbleclad.
Pussy clot.
That the pussy there chump blood clot wave like not a be a sea. Poorly coming.
What you talking about?
Bumbleclad.
It's lava place.
Pussy clot.
You know, sitting up on blood clot internet where you shake up and titty them. Then the breast long like swings and rope. Then the breast if you go tie donkey and goat, I go into bottom and a gun coat. I go job boat from wharf, go stop on that coast. Then the breast can't hold in a back mouth.
But the woman says she miss a touch and hug and all them something there.
Jesus Christ, she in a dream. Dreaming. She must be dreaming.
So
Lava.
So me answer to you then. So right, but now really do this for the public, you know, where I ask an honest question. Where you say they know, you know want back none of the pussy there. You don't want to see back Amari then.
Boy, that the pussy they come like blood clot, Capri car, outdated, like $250,000 bus. What the blood clot me I do the outdated pussy?
No.
Then the pussy there from way back when, from the devil was a boy with the short pants them, from Saltfish and Shingle House Top. We don't want them type of pussy there from Lada car run taxi at Jamaica. What the fuck me I do that the pussy there? Want some 2021 pussy.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Gully Bop, man.
Pussy clot. No, but one thing since she other talks, she miss them because something say them when you over the live body, you know. And so she miss you and her dream is to know if you be back with you and all them because something there. Me know how you just come and start shoot her fire like that.
She shoot her from a cup.
And she a try shoot after me think me about and come here with Bingy. Bingy no work at Jamaica. And come at this Spice. Right now my world want fuck Spice. Cause Spice pussy tight. The blood clot.
Shut and laugh, have
You
a
said the
buzz.
fuck Spice right now.
Right now me the chucky the blood clot Spice belly like when car crash in a wall.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Right now Spice pussy have all Jamaica man a mad. How come me not mad yet?
Pussy clot.
No so Spice sexy. And run and look blood clot good. Spice makes them stand up like TV pole.
Whoa.
Run like all the football we run to go score. Eh? How we Spice? I tell you what Spice the fire brigade after the near.
Alright, go play the song. Go play the song, yeah. Share the live.
Anyway, Spice there.
Share the live.
Yeah, I bet you go tell us you laugh to people and laugh after you.
Share the live.
Yeah, the things on the right. All for this spice.
Share the
Yeah,
live.
you sense led.
Share the live.
You need oh no, me never go low. The girl not no secret to bop, and the whole world know. All them a chat, they don't know nothing about bop. They don't know nothing about pop. Them a get flapped. Girl, you a big handicap. You know see a betty go that. I never me. I your mouth mash up your life. How the fuck you for this spice? See ever bulldog? Me never yet fuck you in a light. Boom boom, say your head space no right. Your pussy jaw loose. That is
What do you mean by boom boom say head space not right? What do you mean by boom boom say head space not right?
Ah!
Thing I deal it. What do you mean by boom boom say head space not right? What do you mean by that? Say boom boom say head space not right.
Boom boom.
Yeah,
The selector boom boom say head space no right.
what do you mean by that?
Eh?
What do you mean
Guys
by
a
that?
fucking mad woman that.
Oh,
That means she mad.
Okay, I think I something else. Okay. That's just checking. All right.
your big mouth not tight. You don't slide but you never bright. More full of rock. That mean it's stink like fat. A pigeon to fly when you pass. Oh no, me never go low. The girl not no secret to bop. And the whole world know. All them a chat. They don't know nothing about pop. They don't know nothing about pop. Them a get clapped. Girl, you a big and the cap. You know see a get it good that. Yo, remember you pay me for the fuck. To fuck you by your neck broke. Now me make you sell the white truck. As your money done bop cup.
So you must say to you now. So how long, you hear me now? You hear me, Bop?
Yo, yeah, me,
You hear me now?
Yeah,
So,
man.
how long now? How long you Amari in a relationship? How long?
Me and I never in a relationship. I must relationship.
How
Yeah.
long you not in a relationship? How long?
No, she see me one day. Let me tell you the truth. She
Yeah.
come to Jamaica one day and see me.
Right?
And she and her man a spar. You see me?
She
And
and
me
her
there
man?
reach be gas station. Me there gas station up a Constantine Road. In a me Lexus. You see me? So our man spot me. I'm going to take some petrol in my car. You see me? And our man spot me and say, babes, I hear the man and Gully Bop. And she run the man same time. Take out the car keys from the man. Give me the car keys and me park up my front of the gas station. Yeah. Go we a Pegasus hotel and she buy a one fuck from me. Yeah.
Pussy.
She give me 1,000 US for a fuck. You see me? Yeah. Cause she do want to give me 500 US to the fuck and me say, no. My fuck not so cheap, my girl. You have to pay enough for money. She give me 1,000 blood clot US. And get a fuck.
1,000 US. So,
Yeah.
So,
I want me take a stock. The blood clot girl couldn't go back a foreign because plane fare she used by the fuck.
what the blood? So all the next fuck go on now?
No, me
fuck it.
yeah, me job in America now. You see me?
Yeah. Right.
I'm in America. She find me in a club, me and Sprague Benz and I do a show. Me don't remember the place name. Yeah? And she find me. Yeah. And say, I'm going to introduce her to my kids them and thing.
Okay.
Spend a 1 week there. She borrow some money from a man when he me forgot from her uncle. And give me 2 grand again. Yeah? Well, I want fuck and then me cut. Yeah, and go on club and she come to the club and tie, beat up her blood clot and take me away. You see me?
Who the entire?
One of my friend, man, but she dead and gone. Rest in peace, Taya. Yeah.
Rest in peace.
Taya, one of our social media friend, them. You see me?
So beat up Amari?
Want some blood clot, lightning kick and some thunderbox.
For what?
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah, man, because Taya say, yo, my time now. Yeah. Gully Bop my wire. Yeah.
Me not know how Amari I go really take this right now. You get me?
She have to take it. I want you work for she get. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
The amount of cocky where Amari suck. Can't check by my finger and a calculator. You have to send for the professor. The blood clot estimate the amount. And the amount of seed that she suck. And on my seed make she get the bus.
What you talking about? It's lava players.
Man, not lie, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Right now I'm lost of words, man. You sound like you're ear tired though.
I know I'm in a year time, just 9 hours.
Man, not lie, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Well, some people on the live say a lie you're telling us. No, so the people are coming on the live and I say a lie you tell and that kind of something. Some of them.
See a lie me I tell?
Yeah.
Them people are never there. None of them you thought never there. Who did there? No.
No.
Did you dare? No.
No.
When she lock up in the house and I suck my seed, and you wanna say no?
No.
I put them in the next room and I never see. No. So how you fi see?
That me a
So you
talk
woman me a talk about lie me a tell. Yeah, fucking liar. Get off the show.
Right?
Here?
Yeah,
She find out that me have no teeth. And she knows that when so gum touch nipple, yeah, woman feel good.
Yeah.
But this one you can't touch them the nipple, you mad? From me born, me never eat ice cream cake, and me never suck fudge. Yeah? Never. Like, right now, me not have no teeth. I mean, no yam soft banana. Crush ice. Foot and cow skin, yellow yam and dumpling. Cause my gum them sharp like gillet.
God.
Well on, cut the argument.
Yeah.
Well last year about China China, what's she there?
Bumbuckler, no man. Never gonna be. Jesus Christ. Gully Bop. Like Shana China, I'm a friend. What
No, I'm a virgin trainer. I just one good thing about Shana Chin.
Eh.
I pussy tight like when knife I go through pumpkin.